Good morning and welcome to Breakfast Around the World. Today, we're diving into the heart of this beautiful country to explore 4 breakfast dishes you absolutely need to try. If you thought breakfast was just eggs and toast, think again. Albania has some surprises in store for you. Our first stop? Byrek. Now, this isn't your ordinary pastry. This is a flaky, golden slice of heaven. Byrek is everywhere in Albania, and for good reason. Layers of paper-thin dough filled with savory goodness like spinach, cheese, or minced meat. It's warm, it's crispy, and it's the perfect way to start the day. Let's grab one. Next, we have Petulla, which are Albanian-style fried dough balls. Think of them as donuts, but not too sweet. Petulla can be enjoyed plain, dusted with powdered sugar, or drizzled with honey. Some people even like them with cheese or jam. They're crispy, light, and a perfect way to satisfy that morning hunger. Now, let's talk about Fërgesë. This dish is comfort food at its finest. Peppers, tomatoes, and creamy cottage cheese, all cooked together until it's rich and delicious. It's hearty, it's warm, and it's exactly what you need to fuel up for the day ahead. From the flaky layers of Byrek to the rich, comforting Fërgesë, Albanian breakfasts are an adventure for your taste buds. If you're ever in Albania, don't miss the chance to experience these amazing dishes for yourself. And if you can't make it here, don't worry, we'll keep bringing the world's breakfast to you.